see this 15-minute range is set. That's a big, just rally pump candle right here. So I want this to break out the 15, maybe get a retest right here and then break out. I'm gonna go with this right here. This account. So we've been on like a little losing streak. So I'm gonna be a little bit careful. Stick to my strategy, you know. Ideally, I want this to break out the range. Getting a little retracement now. A little reaction to this 21 EMA. I want this, this is a 2-minute chart. I mean, this is also a good setup if it closes pretty strongly, right? And then it doesn't push us down. On the 5, it looks pretty good actually. Nice little retest and rejection. That's perfect actually. Might enter short here depending on how this candle close. Only on one contract. You know, being a little cautious. It is the holidays. Been on a losing streak. I just need my confidence to come back. Let's see how this next candle opens. That's a pretty big
order filled.
I'm just gonna enter, risk that bottom, and let me see what I want. Maybe like 20 points. Let's just see, right? It might be a fake out. It might come down, stop us out, and go back. Push up again, but I mean, trading, you gotta take risks. You gotta take risks. Might not work. Might work. Yep. Yep. 40 seconds on the close. It is 5 minutes. It might come stop us here, I'm not gonna lie. Yeah, it is. It is.
Stop
Yeah.
filled.
So yeah, okay, we wait for the 5 for this close. See how this closes. Looks like it wants to come and retest these EMAs here. Let's just see. Getting a little reaction. If this breaks this top of this candle, I might go long again. Right, so this is, need more confirmation for entering. And they're holding it here. Yep.
Order filled.
Entering. Entering for a breakout. For a little breakout play. Like I said, it's only one micro, so we're not putting on that much risk at all. Dang, that was a really bad fill on that loss. Nice. I might add it if it's close strong here. Nice, nice, nice. Add in on this.
Order filled.
Adding. Added one right there. Needed to push out, and I'm gonna sell one right here. Needed to come back or to push up. Come on, push up.
Order submitted.
Maybe target these highs right here. Push up, take one out right here. Target these highs. Oh no. What the heck is that? Bro, what the heck is that? Yo. That's crazy. ES is dumping. Oh my gosh. Yeah, this is not looking good. Oh my god.
Order
What
canceled.
is that? The heck was that, bro? Trump speaks in an hour. No, yeah, one. I don't know why I said an hour there, but yeah, that was crazy. That was a crazy candle. I don't know what the heck that was. What can you do? What can you do? That's trading, dude. That is trading. Looks like we're flushing. No, we're not. Let's look at this 5 year. Nvidia is pulling back. Really need to break out here. If not, we might just go a little go short. They love doing this shit. Oh my god. Just be patient. Looks kind of like a short. If it breaks below this, might go short. It's a matter of when the bulls are coming back. You know. Looks pretty good. Looks pretty good. Let's see if they can break through. Let's see if they can break through. That's actually a really strong candle. Let's see what's going on. Let's see what's going on. The 5 minute looks pretty good. The 5 minute looks good. Look at this 5 minute bar. I don't want them to do that bullshit again. Go, like, look at this bullshit they did, bro. The last, like, 30 seconds, they just dumped it, like, 30 points. It looks good. It looks good. Never looks good on the NQ, dude. Never. I'm telling you. ES is pushing up. Nvidia is also kind of ripping.
Order
I'm gonna
filled.
enter, man. Screw it. Come back down and stop me out again. You won't. You won't come back and do it again. You won't. You won't. It might come back and do it again. Kind of a close on the 5 minute. Bro, break out, bro. Please, break out. Break out. ES trying to go. Nvidia is they're trying to go. There we go. Nice.
Order
I'm gonna take it
canceled.
there. gonna take it there for one little breakout. If it breaks out again, it gives me a little retest. You know, we can re-enter, but I'm not gonna bank on it holding. ES is still in that kind of range. So if the ES breaks out, Nvidia also breaks out, you know, I'm gonna re-enter. But as of right now, dude, let's see here. Damn. There's the breakout. So now we really waiting for a retest. We really need a retest. Let's see here. In hindsight, I shouldn't have taken it early, but you know, just to be safe, which is not a good word to use when you're trading. Safe, you gotta stick to your rules. My rule was to hold. See, I still got stuff to work on, guys. I still have stuff to work on. I'm by no means a pro at this at all. By no means. By no means I am a pro at this. Trading is probably the most difficult thing I have ever done. Ever. Getting a retest. I mean, nice little healthy pullback here. Pumping here. Might go long again. Let's see though. Let's just wait. No, I wanted to come back down here maybe. Or maybe a little lower, you know. Maybe a little lower here. Come down a little lower here to the 620s. Maybe like 615s. Come down to the 615s. Get rejected. Push up, or it might just push up here now. ES is trying to push here.
Order filled.
I'm gonna enter here for a bit of a push up to maybe 10-20 points here. Go up to the 660s maybe. Need this to really go here. Nice. I likey. I likey. Needs to go. I mean, that little hesitation, I really don't like that, but I mean, yeah, look at this, man. Get me through the 660s a little bit. Just through the 660s. Break through the 640s. That should have enough. You know, if it breaks through the 640s, should have a little juice here to go up a couple more points. Getting pulled back. Oh gosh. Oh, we need a little more juice. We need a little more juice here for this to go, or we'll get stopped out. Gosh. See if there's any resistance. Look at this freaking chart. Right here at the 700 is a little resistance point. Right here, 760, 760-ish. 750, 760s. It's a nice little push. Nice little push. If this breaks out, I'm gonna add here. If it breaks out here. Get a push here. Finna add. Come on. Strong push. I'm gonna take it before the 660s. A little bit, but like 6. We're kind of getting here, but
Order filled.
add on to that. 660. Come on, take me out the 660s here. There we go. Come on. Looking like it wants to go here, but it's just freaking eye, man. Freaking eye. That 5 doesn't look doesn't look too good.
Stop fill.
Such bullshit. retracement. Deep pullback here. GNA. GNA, man. It's getting cooked here today, man. Wait for this 5. There's a nice sweep there on the 2, but you know they love doing this shit, man. Probably just consolidating here a little more to go higher. I really do think this is gonna go higher, but I just need to know when to enter. It's just that's the problem here. My timing is off. We got minute 30 on this 5 minute. Minute 30 in this 5 minute chart here. Just looking at the daily chart here, just resistance at the 750s. We got like 100 more points for it to major resistance, right? See, this 5 minute chart looks pretty good for a long here, you know, but you never know. They like to do they like to do bullshit, and Q likes the bullshit. So we will wait for this close. This is a nice little setup, right? But look at that shit, dude. Look at that shit, man. So I think today you just have to really wait it out for the right confirmation, man, because holy fuck. It looks good on the 5 minute chart. Look at this 5 minute. It's a nice little 5 minute move, right?
Order filled.
I'm gonna enter there for a push above the 660s. $680s maybe. We've been here for like solid minute, right? Solid minute. So hopefully, I'm just hoping, you know, this 5 minute play is the play here if we can do it. This is a nice, like, look at this. Why? This is like, okay, whatever. Any normal day, this is a good setup here. But today, I'm not sure anymore. I can't tell you if it is good or not because they like to play games on the holidays. I don't know what's going on the past week. just my strategy past week is been getting dumped on the whole week. Ugh. No momentum here. Nvidia is just not cooperating. This is ES is trying to go. The only thing I'm afraid of is Nvidia here. It's just not. It's not. It's not doing what I wanted. It's kind of just dropping. Right? It's kind of just flirting with the bottom there. It doesn't want to go.
Order
I'm
filled.
closing it here, man. Jesus. I just need Nvidia to cooperate also here. It's just not doing what I want it to do. I needed to go now, or no, I'm not. Like, look at this shit, man. Yeah, Nvidia is just not going up. I need Nvidia ES and NQ to do the same thing for me to get long. Holy shit. The 5-minute chart does not look so freaking ugly. Look at that shit. Look at that shit, man. If we get below the EMAs here, I'm gonna go short. Pulling back here. Thank God I exited. Maybe it comes down and wick us out here. Nvidia is still kind of dropping. ES is holding at the EMAs here. We're at the EMAs. At the EMAs on a 5-minute, at the 9 EMA. Ideal little spot here. I thought this was the move, but I guess not. Maybe it wants to come sweep to this low here.
Order filled.
You can see this little range. I'm entering here because, I mean, this is basically kind of a little range, right, they got going on. So I'm just banking on the fact that we go back up to this range. Maybe not make it another high, just take out maybe these wicks. There we go. Take out some of these wicks up here. There we go. Boom. Super close to my target here. Take me out.
Target
Nice.
filled.
Let's see what happens at the top here, because I clearly see the range getting put in. Gotta wait for it to come back down here and take that trade one more time. Need to come down. Clearly ranging a little bit here, but I'm banking on a breakout still. But I mean, I want to enter towards the bottom of this little mini range they have going on, right, and not at the top. Right. On days like this, bro, breakout. Breakouts are not the play, man. Breakouts are not the play. This is, look at this, man. Look at this 5-minute chart. This, I would usually enter on this candle here, but I mean, it most likely will come back right here. Look. If this comes back to the bottom of this, I will enter again. I will enter again. I will enter again. You see the reaction right here, right? I mean, that's why I don't want to enter here on the top. There's the pullback. Pulling back, pulling back, pulling back.
Order filled.
Enter one more time. Just take me out right here, man. ES just dumping. Back at the bottom of the range here. This is where I would have entered. Looking.
Subfilled.
So fucking choppy. Let me remove this shit. Oh my god. Holy sh. Dumping. It's a nice little break here. Let's see if we can retest these top here. I'll enter for a short real quick. Quick little short. Thing with me is I stick to a bias way too long. This right here should have been a short, right? Because look up, double top, rejection, rejection. Jesus, man. At the EMAs now. At the VWAP, I mean. Oh my gosh, man. How is this a thing? Unbelievable. I don't know what's going on here. Let's see the news real quick. Let's see what we got. Nothing really. I don't know what's going on. That don't came out of nowhere, really though. Be a little patient. I keep saying be patient, but it's tripping me out, man. Wild move. Seems like it came out of nowhere, really, though. Is this gonna be like yesterday where it pumps all the way up, dumps all the way down, and then pumps all the way back up, and it just keeps going up the whole day? That's what happened yesterday. That's crazy. I'm not sure what to do. Trying to push up here, but not having a little trouble pushing back up. If we get stuck down here, right? Let's see what the next candle does. Wait here for the close. Let's see what the next candle does here. It got rejected. That candle just got rejected. Oof. Oof, oof, oof. Here we go. Nvidia ES kind of going back up. Nvidia kind of getting bought up again. Nvidia, yeah, it's just ES trying to pump back up here. See if we get rejected.
Order filled.
Enter for a little short, man. A little bit of a short hill. See what happens. I've just been long buys past 2 days. Oh god, that's really aggressive buying. I kind of need it to go now, like now. Like now. Pumping on ES. It's getting shorted back. It's getting like a little selling pressure right here. I'm gonna move my stop up. because having this EMA has a little protection here. Come on here, man. Take down the 50s again. We're going back down. I might add here. Yes, trying to. Yeah, I'm adding here. We just stuck at the VWAP. Looks like a little bear flag here. I'm playing into a little bear flag. Come on. Come on, come on, come on. Dump this real quick, guys. Dump this real quick. Looking like a bear flag. It is just here. Come on. Come on. God. What the hell is this?
Stop filled.
This is crazy. You gotta play some bullshit, man. Holy fuck, what is this? This is crazy. Look at this. Look at this. Somebody come look at this. Oh gosh. No wick on the bottom or the top of this candle. What the heck does that mean? 5-minute candle just straight up. Straight up. Like, what do you do with this? It looks like a bear flag right here. And it just pumps up. So what I would normally do is enter for a long right here. If it goes down here, but people probably would want to short up here. So right now it might just pump now. It might just pump now.
Order filled.
Start a little bit of a short. Because it's not that much risk. And I love how the Nasdaq likes doing this bullshit, so. I'm shorting here because I'm playing into the chop. Playing into the chop, basically. Like, if it doesn't break this high, we got room for downside here. Look at it. Somebody cuz look at it. Come look at this. Somebody come look at this.
Stop filled.
Retorted. I'm not even sure. Now he wants to go, huh? Thank God. Okay, so now I'm actually looking for my setup here. It's been doing this the past week, right? It's been going up, looking like it wants to move up, and then it goes down. Fake it out, dump all the way down, take all the longs out, make it look like it wants to keep going down, takes all the shorts out, and then it just moves and it just pumps. Real move happens after. So, man, I'll keep that in mind. I like doing this bullshit in the morning. They just like fucking people over in the morning, basically. Pulling back a little bit. Pulling back. All right. Nvidia. Trying to go back up here. Not falling for this again. You're just holding. You're getting stuck right here at the 650s. Getting just stuck. Yep. ES is just stuck at the top of 6,860s here. It's stuck, but it's not dumping. Keyword there. Nice. Wow, super cool. Super cool. I love this. I love to trade this. I love to trade the Nasdaq, bro. Oh my god, so good. Oh my god, Nasdaq. Hey, I love the Nasdaq so much. I love the Nasdaq so much. Love the Nasdaq so much. Ah. Nice little push here. Still gonna wait. Wait. Okay, this 5 minute is looking a little more convincing, but I mean, convincing doesn't even count this today. Look at this. Look at this wick. Boom, straight back down. Right. Look at this. Boom, straight back down. So the 5 minute chart looks crazy today. Let's wait for a little retest. If we even get any. Nvidia just dumped. Nvidia kind of dumping down right now. Yep, look at those. Nvidia pulling back. God damn. They cannot today, dude. Still dumping here. Back to dumping it. Look at him. Oh my gosh. Yep. There it is. There it is. I love trading NASDAQ. I love this. Oh my god, I love this. Oh my god, look at this. Look at this. Let's look at the 10-minute. Look at this range on the 10. Kind of a range, not really a range, but minute is dumping back here. This 15-minute chart was kind of a good play. Goodness, bro. Oh my gosh.
Order filled.
Enter for a long here. Just cause fucking this is some bullshit. They love this bullshit, man. Look at this bullshit. Wow. 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 Wow, dude. And it's dumping on me.
Stop filled.
Oh my gosh. I'm gonna do a VWAP play here if they give me a. Oh my gosh, man. Nice. Nice. Fucking love it here, dude. There is a line here we can look at. This is the line, so let's see what happens here. Sweep these bottoms, sweep the bottoms. Just a big old range probably here. Go. Waiting for like one more sweepish. Maybe pull back a little bit more to this VWAP. There it is. Hitting at VWAP now. See if we get a little rejection here. If it doesn't, then we're going straight through again. Oh my God. Are we serious? Are we serious? We got equal lows. Is that a lower low? I don't think it's a lower low. And we're dumping. And it made a lower low. We're probably just falling now. We're probably just gonna just... Okay, hold on. If we encounter... It just swept the lows here. If we encounter some resistance and push up, get back above this VWAP, maybe I'll start another long. I need this 2 minute to... You know. Close a little. It's 2 minutes to close a little bullish. A little bullish. Yeah, it's kind of good for a bounce play.
Order filled.
They love doing this bullshit. Right? They love it. They freaking love it. I might add if we get above this VWAP here. Disgusting price action, dude. Nice. Oh my gosh. Getting rejected at the VWAP, that's not good. That's not good. We're bear flagging now, and this might be a real bear flag. Yep, it looks like it's a real bear flag, and it's gonna stop me out, no?
Order canceled.
Exiting. Just gotta get above this VWAP. Straight in the middle of this freaking 15-minute range right here. It's super annoying. Let's see here. So can definitely do it. There's the little bounce here. Bear flagging again here. But what does that even mean? Cause so nice. Nice, dude. Oh my god, dude. Nice, dude. It looks like it wants to go for these lows now. Wait for a push up here to enter. Back short. Oh my god. Look at this hour. Get a little push up, man. Look at this freaking candle. I need to push up, maybe rejection to join these shorts here. I don't want to just chase the short, right? I don't know, dude. This is insane price action. 5-minute EMA crossed. I should have seen that, right? Need maybe a little push up for this bear flag to play out. Oh, it's gonna play out just like that. Boom. Why do they like doing this shit, man? There's no rhyme or reason at all. They just, today is totally fucking disrespected the EMAs. Like, you look at the 5-minute chart, dude, they don't give a fuck about the EMAs. Crazy. Holy. Let's see. Pushing up.
Order filled.
A little bear flag forming. Need to break this low here. Come on. Just a little lower. A little lower. Right through that 430 to take me out for 25-ish.
Order submitted.
Oops.
Order canceled. Order submitted. Order canceled. Order filled.
Take one there. Trail this down.
Target filled.
I mean, thank God we got a win, right? That was like the first time that actually my setup worked today. See if we can do it one more time here. Doing it again. How much lower can we actually go here? Let's look at this. I mean, we're right here at resistance, like below. I mean, we're below the EMAs. Like we're below the EMAs. On the hourly, right? The 10-minute, if this crosses, I mean, we're bearish as hell. 15-minute, not yet crossed. But it crossed on the 5. 5-minute has already crossed. EMA crossed on the 5. If this 10-minute EMA cross right here, you know, we're real bearish. But as of right now, we're not. See, we get a push, a little rejection again, right? Then I'll re-enter. Doing this one. Looking like kind of like another bear flag again. Maybe we push up to the 21 EMA and then, you know, reject. But it looks kind of like it's rejecting again right now. Look at the 5 real quick. 5, I mean, what I really do want to see is it push up, takes out these highs, puts in a wick, you know, then I enter. Take out these highs, put in a wick. It's already putting a wick in, but we need us to push up a little more here. Preferably take out the highs. I mean, there it is. I mean, you want a little bit more here. $22 minutes on the close. It is 1 hour. Here we go. 5-minute chart. I'm waiting for it to hit this, to be honest. Or is the 225 500 level. Pushing back up. Need this to kind of put a wick in. There we go. You can see by the volume here, the bull's kind of losing steam, which is what I want to see. Let's see what this next wick or next candle does for us. Because at the on the 5 minute, we're right at the 9 EMA, right? On the 5 minute, we still got a lot of room to go. If we get above the VWAP, then maybe I'll go long again, right? But at the current, we're below the VWAP, below the EMAs. So let's see what happens when we reach the middle of these EMAs. Definitely want to just look at the 5 here. Pushing right back up. Right back up.
Yeah, I would visualize. Right, having directors interested in me and people that I respected saying, I like your work or whatever that is.
Gosh.
And I would visualize things coming to me that I wanted or whatever.
Getting a little wick here.
have a whole thing after they're out there.
Let's wait for this 5-minute close.
$1 million for acting services rendered, and I gave myself 5 years.
Kind of the reaction I want, right? But I mean, we need some more
And,
confirmation before entering.
dated at Thanksgiving 1995. Just before Thanksgiving 1995, I found out that I was going to make $10 million.
Choose your fighter.
Dang.
Lightning inspired. Fight.
Nice rejection. So, looking at this 15 here, I don't want to just short banking it will make a low, right? It might not make a low.
You win.
That 5-minute, 20-second close on this 5-minute here. Kind of like it. Kind of like it. Five-minute closed. That 5-minute. Look at that 5-minute close. It looks freaking perfect. It looks perfect, right? So is that a trap or not? Is that a trap for freaking shorts or not? I don't even know. But it looks perfect for a short. So I don't know anymore.
Order filled.
See if we can go back down. I mean, I really like this setup here, but I mean, there's that wicket getting put in. Putting in that wick. Oh my god, look at this. Leave this on here. We're still under the VWAP. Still in the EMAs on the 5 here. Getting stuck in the EMA, which I really like. Like the setup here, just so they're not making it easy. That's it. That's it. They're not making it easy. That's it. That's the problem. They're not making it easy. Looks like a nice bear flag, but you know, you never know, man. With the NASDAQ, man, you never know. Should I add here? You know, should I add it or not? You know, should I add it or should I not? Should I add it or should I not? You know. Kind of bear flagging. Ugh. It's a doing that the bullshit again. The bullshit. It's a doing that the bullshit again. The bullshit again. Yeah, we can dump through here. That'd be a nice little. Okay. Come on, NASDAQ. The 5 looks like a bear flag. 5-minute chart looks like a bear flag, but the 2-minute looks like a bull flag. So, I mean, I don't know, right? It's crazy. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Getting stopped out. Uh-oh. Dude. What a shit show. What a shit show. Holy fuck, dude. We might even push up to the VWAP. I might add. What a shit show. What a shit show. Nvidia going absolutely nowhere, sideways here. Need this to just reject hard or we're getting stopped here. Putting in another wick. You like that? Gosh, dude. And we're just pumping here. Not looking too good. Yeah, I'm getting stopped out here. Nvidia's just pumping, dude.
Order filled.
God damn. Now it looks like a bear flag. We're rejecting here at the EMAs. Super cool, I love this. This looks so good. And then it just fucked me. It just fucked. That 5 minute looked so good. The 10 just crossed. 10 minute. The 10 minute just crossed right here. Getting rejected at the VWAP now. I mean, we got 2 minutes to the 10 minute close here. And that 5 minute also closes in 2 minutes. If we can, break this low here, we go down right here to 225, 490. Getting a rejection. ES is rejecting the EMAs at the moment. Nvidia kind of stuck. It's 1 more minute for this 10 minute to close. 15 also closes in a minute. Here we go. It's 18 seconds. This 10 minute chart looks freaking great, man. For a short, but like what? See if it holds this high here. There we go. Wow, dude, look at this fake, man. So many people probably short here. Look at these. This is a perfect short setup, and it's just fucking us. There's a new hour candle now. You look at this. Look at this candle, right? Look at this freaking wick. Now, I really don't want to be short at this point. Even though it looks freaking perfect for a short, man. Like they know my setup or something. I'm gonna hop off here. Maybe I take more trades later on, but